Hello fellow developers, hope you're having a great day. This is Andrew talking and welcome to the next episode of iOS coding challenges. Today we're talking about one very popular challenge called most common element. Briefly about the requirements. Write a function that takes an array as an argument and returns the item with the most occurrences. Function should not work with an empty array. So now let's go to the code and start from the simple version that works with integers. Then we'll update it to work with generics. Alright, so here we have our simple version. We're taking an array of integers and return an integer. First, we add in an assertion to ensure that our array is greater than 0. Then, we add in a guard because if array count equals 1, we just can return the first element. Then, we're creating a dictionary for an item and its occurrence and the output. Then, we loop through the array and in dictionary assign the occurrence for each distinct items. In max occurrence, we're getting maximum value from dictionary values which corresponds to the item with the most occurrences. In order to find the item, we loop through the dictionary and if current occurrence equals to maximum occurrence, we assign the item to output and break the cycle. Then we just return the output. So now let's test our code. As you can see, code works correctly. If you wanted to test it yourselves, the source code to this tutorial is gonna be down below in the description to this video. Now, let's create a generic version of our method. Alright, so now with the little changes, we'll refactor our method to work not only with integers, but now it works with generics that conform to hashable. It means that our method could take not only integer, but also float, double, and even a string. So now let's test it out. So here we have first array of integers, then we have doubles, and the last one is strings. So this is it with the most common element. If you find this video interesting and useful, give it a like, consider subscribing to the channel if you didn't do it yet. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. Happy coding and goodbye.